Everyone, today we're in a Honda Euro R. It's a Accord Euro R with the K20. These are quite rare cars, mainly for the Japanese market. So anyway, we're going to be adjusting this handbrake because at the moment, if you count the clicks, 1, 2, it's too high. It shouldn't be this high. In this video, you'll see my method on how I adjust the handbrake when the cables stretch a bit. So to compensate for it, I adjust it at the handbrake itself, at the adjuster. Now, normally the factory manual calls for raising the vehicle, so you jack it up and you want to check the drag on the wheels. So if you've not done this in the past, I would suggest raising the vehicle and checking for drag prior and after the adjustment. But if you've got experience or if you've done a couple of these, you'll know how many clicks. Or if you want to follow this method, do so, but do it in small increments so that you do not cause excessive tension on the cable, which would result in the rear wheels possibly dragging. So if you want to make 100% sure, jack up the vehicle and then just check the drag on the wheels. So you can either watch my other video down in the description below. It goes into more detail on this. Towards the end of the video, I'll put up the factory procedure on how to adjust the handbrake cable. So to adjust the handbrake on this particular model, and if you just want to adjust it off the clicks here to compensate for the stretch in the cable, what you want to do is you want to open this area here where your little storage area is, and you want to take off the screw here, depending on what you have. And underneath down there is the adjuster. So that's the adjuster nut for the handbrake. So what we're going to do is we want to tighten that a bit. And we want to start by tightening that only when we release this handbrake. So make sure you do this on a level ground, otherwise just chock your wheels because you don't want your vehicle going anywhere, or you can put the vehicle in gear just to be safe. That's removed for another video. Basically, you don't want to tighten up too much. You want about 5 clicks would be ideal. Anything more than that, and you want to check the drag on the rear wheels. So I've removed the whole center console. You can do this. So now just to reiterate of what I was doing, we've dropped the handbrake, and now all we want to do is take this slack off here. So if we pull this up one click, one of these 12mm spinners. So you just want to get in there. If you don't have one of these ratcheting type spinners, you can just use a normal one. This one just makes life a little bit easier. It'll be easy and then it'll get tight. So we'll stop there. And now we'll just check the handbrake. Can still go a bit more, so we'll keep tightening that a little bit. So after adjusting it some more, now if you listen to it, we get about 5 clicks and it gets quite difficult here. So that's what we want. If you're unsure on how far to go, just take a measurement of this when you initially start, and then when you finish adjusting it, so then you know how much you've gone on it, because you don't want to go too tight. You want to make sure you have those clicks in there. So that's how you adjust that handbrake. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe.